Okay. Namaste, good evening, people online. Hello. Hello, people online. Namaste, good evening. Hope I'm audible. Am I? Hello.
Yes, sir. Your video is not possible.
Yeah. And disabled it. Okay, please enable your videos. I'll also enable my video. Here we go. Hope I'm visible now. Am I visible now?
Sir.
Yes, super. Thank you. Nice. Okay, please enable your videos as well. Videos to be enabled, please. Here we go. Okay. Our topic of discussion was electric current. In topic electric current, we were discussing about electrical resistance, electrical resistivity. Is that correct? Yes. And in this electrical resistivity, some numericals were given to you to compare between the resistance and resistivity. Is that correct? Hello, people. Is that correct? Hello. Numericals were given to you to compare its resistance and resistivity. Hello, am I correct? People online. Yes, fine, super. Hope you have solved those numericals which were given yesterday. If yes, if you have solved those numericals, if there are no confusion with those numericals, I'll continue discussing next set of topic or next set of questions right now. A wire of length capital letter L, a wire of length capital letter L has electrical resistance 10 ohms. A wire of length capital letter L has electrical resistance 10 ohm, OHM, 10 ohms. 10 ohms. Its diameter is 0.5 millimeter. Its diameter is 0.5 millimeter. Find electrical resistivity. Find electrical resistivity of the material. Find electrical resistivity of the material if length is 10 meters. If length is 10 meters, it is written here, length is 10 meters. Fine. First task, whenever a numerical is given, please go through the given information. See what is given and what is that you have to calculate. Shall we write given information first? Yeah. Write down given. L length 10 meters, resistance 10 ohm, diameter 0.5 millimeters. Is that correct? Diameter 0.5 millimeters. What is that I have to calculate? I have to calculate resistivity. Resistivity. How that? Is that correct? Is that correct? Yes or no? Hello, people. Yes. Fine. Now, so, ಈಗ resistivity formula ಏನು? Resistivity, resistance, length, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ include ಆಗಿರೋ ಒಂದು formula ಇದೆ. And right, we know that Rho is equal to RA divided by L. Is this formula known to us? Yes. R resistance, A area, L length. Idistu gottide. But area is directly not given to you. Nodi, area kottilla. Hagidre, area is equal to pi r square. Correct? R andre radius. What is R here? R is radius. Radius value namige gottilla. Diameter value gottide. Is there a relation between diameter and radius? Yes, there is a relation. You know, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Howda? Howda? Yes. R is equal to diameter value is to 0.5 millimeter divided by 2. There is also a condition. Every other value should be expressed in SI units. Hagidre it is 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters divided by 2. 0.5 10 power of minus 3 meter can be written as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter divided by 2. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 as to, sorry, let it be as it is. 5 by 2 as to 2.5. 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meters, or 25 into 10 to the power of minus 5 meter. This is radius. Any doubts with this? People online, do you have any doubts with this?
No, sir.
No.
Sir?
Yes, please, listening.
0.5 into 10 minus 3 is 0. Sir, how did we get minus 3, sir?
Milli, value of milli is 10 to the power of minus 3. See, it is millimeter. Milli is 10 power of minus 3. See, it is in meters now. How that? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, fine. Yeah, thank you. And we know how did it become 10 power minus 4. Hengaito, decimal na shift madade, it becomes 10 power minus 4. Similar as this. By the way, I need area. A is equal to pi r square, or A is equal to 22 by 7 into 25 into 10 to the power of minus 5, the whole square. Hagire rho is equal to R 10 into 22 by 7 into 25 into 10 power minus 5 the whole square divided by length. Length is 10. 10 and 10 I'll cancel. 22 by 7 is 3.14. 25 square is 625 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ohm meter. So multiply this, whatever value you get, that's your final answer. Please do it fast. Vega. Multiply these numbers. 25 into 3.14. You multiply whatever value you get. That's your answer. Let it be into 10 power of minus 4. Let that be as it is, 10 power of minus 4. Hage irli. Hope it is done. You have to multiply numbers. Done. Ayata. Shall I continue?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
sir,
please
can you
listening.
explain it?
What should I explain?
Sir, that sum, sir. Again, can you explain, sir?
From the beginning, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Give me a second. Fine. Okay, have a look at the question. Those who have doubts, those who don't have doubts, ondsala nodkoli numerical na. As per the question, length is given. Length L kottidare. Yes. Then diameter is given. Have a look at the question. Diameter is 0.5 millimeter. Correct. Electrical resistance is given. Electrical resistance R 10 ohms. Correct. Then innan kottidare. That's it. What is that I have to calculate? I have to calculate resistivity. And resistivity anta idu electrical resistivity is what I have to calculate. Fine. Formula barithini. Formula ಏನು? Rho is equal to RA by L. Formula I have written. Rho is equal to RA by L. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ values ಗೊತ್ತು. I know value of R. I have written 10. I know value of length. I have written 10. Do you know value of area as it is? Nange area value gottidya? Answer is no. Area is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. R is radius. Is radius given in the question? Answer is no. Radius is not known to us. What in gotto? I know diameter. See, diameter kottidare. Diameter is 0.5 millimeter. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. See, there is a rule, thumb rule, untold rule. Untold rule. Every term in the quantity, every term in the equation, every other quantity in the equation should be always expressed in SI. What is SI unit of length? Meter. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ diameter millimeter ಇಂದ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು meters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. How will you write it in meters? Meters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Millimeter to be converted to meter. Milli value is 10 power of -3. ಇದನ್ನ meters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದ್ವಾ? Yes. 0.5 millimeter, which is 5 into 10 to the power of -4 meter. Okay. 5 by 4, 2.5. 2.5 is written as 25 and 10 power of -5 meter. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ R value ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Pi value ಗೊತ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನ plug ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. I have plugged it here. I have plugged every other value. 25 square is 625. 10 power of -5 whole square is 10 power -10. Rest is known to you. 625 multiplied by 3.14 will give you answer. Is that clear? Someone asked me doubt. Is that clear? Someone asked me to explain the complete numerical. Explain ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. Doubt ಇದೆಯಾ? It was Kirtana, I guess. Yes, Kirtana, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Fine, thank you. Erase ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಇದೇ ತರ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ. ಪೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. Two wires made of copper. First wire has length. 2 meters. First wire has length 2 meters and radius 2 millimeter. First wire has length 2 meters and radius 2 millimeters. Find electrical resistance. Find electrical resistance of second wire. Find electrical resistance of second wire. Electrical resistance of second wire if its length remains the same. If its length remains the same and area is doubled. Length remains the same and area is doubled. Length remains the same and area is doubled.
Sir,
Listening. Yes, please.
sir, the last sum's answer I got 2,884.96, sir.
Oh, fine. 2084.96 into 10 to the power of minus 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, fine. It's correct. Super. Thank you. Thanks for letting us know the answer. Please cross check when you multiply these numbers. This is the answer that you get. Is that clear, people online?
Yes, sir.
Hope it is a yes. Fine. Yeah. Okay. Next question. Second question. Please read the question once before starting the question. That is the thumb rule. Rule. Rule ಏನು? First question ನೋಡಬೇಕು detail ಆಗಿ. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ. Then you have to start answering always. ಶುರು ಮಾಡುವ. ಓಕೆ. ಎರಡು ವೈರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Wire number 1 and wire number 2. There are two wires, wire 1 and wire 2. I have changed the color. Hope it should be visible. Yes, it is visible. No issues with the
Yes,
visibility.
sir.
Yeah, fine. Two wires, wire 1 and wire 2. Wire 1 is made of copper. Wire 2 is also made of copper. Wire 1 is made of copper. Wire 2 is also made of copper. Next, what information do we have? Wire 1 has length 2 meters. 2 meters or 4 meters? Sister, length?
2 meters.
Huh?
2 meters.
2 meters. Fine, thank you. I'll call it as L1. What was radius of first wire? Radius?
2 millimeter.
Okay, radius 2 millimeter. Fine. What information do we have about wire 2? Length remains the same. Radius is doubled. Is it 2 times R1? Radius is doubled. Is it 2 times R1? Maniyare, mahidare, mattu makkale. Is that correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Double 2 times R1. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ R2 is equal to 2 times 2 millimeter ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಹುದಾ? Am I wrong? No, I don't think so. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ R2 is equal to 4 millimeter ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಹುದಾ? Am I wrong? R2 4 millimeter? No. Nothing.
No,
Yes. I have to find out resistance of second wire. Howda? Is that correct? Is that correct? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
See, how to find out resistance of second wire? Simple, sir. Write this formula. Yaudu? R2 is equal to rho 2 length 2 divided by A2. R is equal to rho L by A. Correct. How to find resistance with this? Sir, plug every other value, sir. Rho value gottilla. What to do? What to do? Sir, then this question is incomplete, sir. You cannot solve this. No, I can solve this. How? Come back to this. Hege. Illi, first, R1 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Next, idakku formula bariri. R2 is equal to, sorry, R2 R1 is capital R1 is equal to rho 1 L1 divided by A1. Sir, again rho 1 is unknown to you. Now please use common sense. I'll say rho 1 is equal to rho 2 is equal to rho. Why? Because material is same. Material is same. Nodi, ಯಾವ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತ ಎರಡು ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪರ್. Yesterday we have written one conclusion. ಏನ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ? When material remains same, resistivity remains same. Also, resistivity depends on material, resistivity depends on temperature ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ since material is same, resistivity is same. Is that correct? Yes. Any doubts with this? No, boss. Next, continuing further. What is our next continuation? Can I write R1 is equal to rho L1 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 divided by A1 pi R1 square. Correct? ಇದನ್ನ R2 is equal to rho 2 pi R2 square. Correct? Now divide these two. R1 divided by R2. R1 divided by R2. Andre, I'm not writing resistance directly, but I'm writing resistance of second wire in terms of first wire. Andre, have a look at the answer. Rho 2 divided by pi R1 square. Rho 2 divided by pi R2 square. Rho cancel it. Pi 2 2. What am I left with? 1 by R1 square by 1 by R2 square. What is 1 by R1 square? 1 by R2 square. This is R2 square by R1 square. Howda? Idu R2 square by R1 square agutte. Yes or no? Mahaniyare mahiyare mattu makkale? Yes sir. R1 by R2. What is R2 square? R2 value estayitu illide. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Why is it minus 3? Millimeters. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Hagidre R1 by R2 is equal to 2 by 1. Or R2 is equal to 1 by 2 times R1. This is your answer. Is that correct? R2 is equal to 1 by 2 times R1. And then, resistance of second wire is less than resistance of first wire. Again, I repeat, resistance of second wire is less than resistance of first wire. Sir, how do you know? See, that's why I have half times R1 anta ide. Resistance of second wire is half times resistance of first wire. Is that correct? Is that correct? Hello, people. Sariyandra.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Right done. Now comes the question. Why did resistance decrease? Resistance yak decrease aitu. See, resistance decreases because area increase aitu. Area increase aitu anta yaru heladru? Sir, area increase agidya? Yes. Double the area. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಏರಿಯಾ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್. Finish it off, Bega. Give me a prompt once you are done.
Finish, sir.
Yes, ho gaya?
No,
If
sir.
there is any conclusion, please do let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, let's continue our discussions. Fine. I'll erase this content then. Okay. Now, so this is story behind resistance, resistivity, etc., etc., etc. Next write down. Next write down. Note. Note. Note and the write down. Conductivity. Conductivity. Note and the conductivity. Conductivity is reciprocal of resistivity. Conductivity is reciprocal of resistivity. Conductivity is reciprocal of resistivity. Next, that is next one ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Conductivity 1 by resistivity. Conductivity and resistivity are inversely proportional. Ulta pulta. Howda? Yes. Next, second point. Conductance. Conductance is reciprocal of resistance. 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 Next, third point. Conductivity is the measure of. Conductivity is the measure of ability of a material. Conductivity is the measure of ability of a material to allow flow of heat or electricity. To allow flow of heat or electricity. Please write these things and give me a prompt. It is too bardu, give me a prompt. Waiting for your prompt. It is too bardu, give me a prompt.
Finished, sir.
Finished? Others online?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Fine. Shall we continue? Yes. Next, write down. Under note. Note. Under note barita bani. Under note. Next bariwa. See, since conductivity and resistivity is inversely proportional ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಈ ಫೀಚರ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆರ್ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೈಫರ್ಕೇಟ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is bifurcating materials? I have to manufacture a wire which is suitable to pass electric current. ನಾನು ವೈರ್ ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ವೈರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ವೈರ್ ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ವೈರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. ಯಾವ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ನಾನು ಮೆಟಲ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್, ಮೆಟಲ್, ಕಾಪರ್ ಮೆಟಲ್, ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೆಟಲ್, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೆಟಲ್. ನಾನು ಮೆಟಲ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಈ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬೈಫರ್ಕೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ. ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್, ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟಲ್. ಇದರದ್ದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ, conductivity too high or I can say high. Too high, ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ. Resistivity. Too less ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದು ವೈರ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಬರದ್ವಿ, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ವೈರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ವೈರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ನೆನ್ಪಿದ್ಯಾ? ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ? ವೈರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ವೈರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೆನ್ಪಿದ್ಯಂದ್ರು? Hello people. Yes.
Yes.
I remember this, whatever we were discussing yesterday. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hey, please communicate. No, this is a two-way communication mode, by the way. Please communicate. There is no point in just listening. This is not a YouTube video to just look at the video. But video not the please make use of the facility available. What facility is available? This is a two-way communication mode. Howda? Since it is a two-way communication mode, by the way, same video is later uploaded on YouTube. That's a different story. But with the two-way communication, please make use of it. Please participate. Please enable your videos. There is a saying in English, phase is the index of mind. That's one saying. Howda? When I look
Yes,
at
sir.
this, I can come to conclusions at least, not to a greater extent. I am not a phase reader. Nim phase ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. But phase gestures ನೋಡಿ I can decide. Is that clear? So please enable your videos. It will help us a lot in to establish our communication a better way. Please. Fine. Resistivity is too less. Too less ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. So a conductor's resistance should be less. Conductance should be large. ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಅದು ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗೋದು. Is that correct? Yes, common sense. Then we have some materials called alloys. Alloys. What are alloys? Alloys are mixture of two or more metals. Alloys are mixture of two or more metals. Two or more metals mixture na alloys ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Fine. Alloys ಅಲ್ಲಿ conductivity neither too high nor too low. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Not high as conductors, not high as conductors, nor not low as insulators. Insulators are bad conductors. ಇಲ್ಲಿ resistivity ಇದು same. Neither too low nor too high. Okay, then metals ಅಂತ change ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ metals because alloy is also a conductor. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ? neither too low ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Resistivity is not too low as in case of metal, nor not it is high as in case of an insulator. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಂತ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ? ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವುಡ್, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್, ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಸುಲೇಟರ್ಸ್. ಇದರದ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಟೂ ಲೆಸ್, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಝೀರೋ. ಟೂ ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಝೀರೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಟೂ ಹೈ, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Resist andre oppose ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈ oppose ಮಾಡೋ nature, it is too large. It opposes to such an extent that it will not pass any electron to pass through. That's why we use wooden handles. That's why we use plastic handles for vessels. Yeah, vessels again. Vessels that are kept on a heating source. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ pressure cooker ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes. Pressure cooker ಗೆ plastic handle ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, there are some vessels which has plastic handles for it.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because plastic is an insulator. What is advantage? Advantage another, it does not allow heat to pass through. We have switches. Switches are made of plastic. Switches are made of porcelain. Yake? Because if I make a metal switch, then switch on off ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೂ ಶಾಕ್ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ವೈರ್ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು electric cables or your mobile phone charging cable or any XYZ cable where electricity or any signal passes through. Such cables are made of metals and such cables have a plastic coating. ಹೌದಾ? ಆ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕೋಟಿಂಗ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಜೋಲ್ಟ್. Is that clear? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It is not to increase beauty of a wire. It is to increase safety measure of a wire. Is that clear? Yes, fine. What are these alloys? Then alloys ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈ alloys ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ಟೈನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್. We have vessels made of stainless steel. Is steel an alloy? Yes, steel is an alloy. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು there is an alloy by name Constantan. And ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಣ. Okay, we'll do one thing. Write it off. I'll give you some extra notes later. Please write it off. While writing, please listen and please store this in your brains. In your textbook, there is a tabular column given in your NCERT, CBSE book or your state syllabus book. There is a table given. The table has list of materials with resistivity values. Table has list of materials with resistivity values, lowest to highest. Lowest ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ resistivity? Metals. Highest ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ? Insulators. In between, alloys. ಬರೀರಿ ಬೇಗ. Write this and give me a prompt. Please enable your videos. Please make it fast. Give me a prompt once you're done. Waiting for a response.
Finish, sir. Finish, sir.
Finish, sir.
Nice. Next, write down.
Finish.
Next point. How many points did I write under this note? 4, 5 and ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? Okay. Next, continue writing. Alloys such as ALLOYs. Alloys such as nichrome, constantan, manganin, nichrome, constantan, manganin are nichrome, constantan, manganin are used in manufacture of are used in the manufacture of heating elements. Are used in the manufacture of heating elements. HEATING. Heating elements or resistance coils. Resistance coils. RESISTANC. Resistance coils. COILS. Resistance coils. Because these alloys do not oxidize. These alloys do not oxidize at bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ even at ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. at ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ even at very large temperatures. Even at very large temperatures. Even at very large temperatures. Next. Also, next line ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ sentence, new sentence. Also, alloys have a small value of temperature dependence of resistance. Alloys have a small value of temperature dependence of resistance. Temperature dependence of resistance. That is even at
Depends on.
Temperature dependence of resistance. Temperature dependence of resistance. That is even at considerably large temperatures. Even at considerably large temperatures, its resistance does not increase. Its resistance does not increase to a larger extent. Resistance does not increase to a larger extent. Resistance does not increase to a larger extent. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೂನು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ್ಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Is that clear? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fine. Hey, did we speak about Ohm's law? No, Ohm's law ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಾ?
No, sir.
Oh no? Okay, fine. Please remind me. Next class we will start Ohm's law. Is that clear? People?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, ಇವಾಗ 2 points ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಓದಿ. Please read 2 points whatever we have written. Temperature dependence of resistance ante. Read these 2 points once. ಬೇಗ. Did you read these 2 points? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಅಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು these alloys will not catch fire, ಬೆಂಕಿ ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, do not oxidize, and ಇದು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್, ಐರನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಗೀಸರ್, ಡಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್. ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟವ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಆಲ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡ್
So microwave.
microwave oven is a different phenomenon. Microwave oven is a different phenomenon. It works on this microwave only. Different electromagnetic spectrum ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮೈಕ್ರೋವೇವ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Is that clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Water heater, sir.
ವಾಟರ್ ಹೀಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೀಟರ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಗೀಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ. ಟೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸರ್, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟವ್, ಕೆರೋಸಿನ್ ಸ್ಟವ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್, ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? Resistance coils. Resistance coils and the resistors. We will get into this resistors, then you will come to know resistance coils and ಏನು. ಇದು alloys the unique feature. Next ಬರ್ರಿ, alloys are also used in manufacture of electric fuse. Alloys are also used in manufacture of electric fuse. Which works on heating effect of electric current. Which works on heating effect of electric current. Which works on heating effect of electric current. Done? Yes. Next point under note. Tungsten. Tungsten. T-U-N-G-E-S-T-E-N. Tungsten. Tungsten. Write down. Tungsten is a metal. Tungsten is a metal which is ductile in nature. D-U-C-T-I-L-E. Which is ductile in nature. Please tell me, what do you mean by ductile?
Which can be broken down into wires.
Very good, super. Which can be drawn into thin wires. Adana ductility property antara. Very good. Malleability andre which can be beaten into thin sheets. Howda? Gold is malleable in nature. Tungsten is ductile in nature. Tungsten, which is a metal which is ductile in nature. This tungsten is used in manufacture of coils. C-O-I-L-S. Tungsten is used in manufacture of coils for incandescent bulbs. Coils for incandescent bulbs. B-U-L-B-S. Incandescent bulbs. Incandescent bulbs ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ?
Sir, what is incandescent bulb, sir?
I'm on it. ಅದೇ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm on it. ಈ ತರ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆಂಟ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, which emits orange yellowish color. ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಬಲ್ಬ್. ಎಲ್-ಇ-ಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್-ಇ-ಡಿ ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈ ತರದ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ? ಈ ತರದ್ದು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು 2 arms ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ ಈ 2 arms ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. By chance, if this coil is cut in between, this bulb will not function. ಈ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ? This coil is made of tungsten. ಈ
Sir,
ಟಂಗ್ಸ್ಟನ್
filament, no, sir.
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
Sir, is it called filament?
ಫಿಲಮೆಂಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಫಿಲಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಫಿಲಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಟಂಗ್ಸ್ಟನ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಅನ್ಬಹುದು, ಫಿಲಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ಬಹುದು. ಇಟ್ ಗ್ಲೋಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೀಟೆಡ್. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಯುನೀಕ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಗ್ಲೋಸ್. ಗ್ಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉರಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ? ವೆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಟ್. ಬಿಸಿ ಆದಾಗ ಉರಿಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅಂಡ್ ಸುಟ್ಟೋಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್?
Sir, it has a high melting point, no, sir?
Exactly. Very good. I was about to tell all these things. It has high melting point. Barkole, adu point barkole. Tungsten has very high melting point. Tungsten has very high melting point. And I'm happy because students here are communicating. Very good. Thank you. Please continue this communication. Is that clear? Also enable your videos.
Yes, sir.
Class would be much more interesting. That's what I feel. Always there should be communication. Communication idre, then there is this intensity of an interaction which would increase for us. Nothing. Just imagine, what if I start teaching this way? My teaching is fine, my teaching is good, same voice throw, same clarity, but I disable my video and I start speaking. It doesn't sound good. And it sounds good. It will not carry a high energy. How that? Actually, come on.
Yes.
What, sir? Nonsense. Video enable ಮಾಡಿ sir. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೂ. Same. Whatever you felt just now for a fraction of seconds, I'll feel it throughout the hour. See, please respect my feelings also at the end of the day. Fine. Thank you. Okay. Super. So filament ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
Sir,
It has high melting point. Yeah, there was some communication. Yes, Manya.
sir, tungsten is a metal or a alloy, sir?
It is a metal.
Okay.
Next. So idistu story ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಯ್ತು?
Tungsten.
ಟಂಗ್ಸ್ಟನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Yeah, fine.
Alloy.
Alloys ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So next class we will start with Ohm's law. So please remember, next class our topic of discussion is on Ohm's law. Is that clear? Fine.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So meanwhile, please go to NCERT books. In NCERT books alli there is this table. This table has bifurcation, resistivity values will bifurcate madidare. So we'll continue our discussions. Until then, take care. See you. Bye bye. Have fun. Enjoy. Love you all. See you next week. Bye bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.